JD Flutes. I'm out of breath because my sinuses are bothering me today. But as I was creating this flute here, that song came in my mind, and I just wanted to share that with you all. I thought it was a pretty cool song. And this flute here is actually a customer's flute, and it's one of my special series, bass D flutes tuned to 432 Hertz, a double drone. Excuse me. And this customer here, he's a pretty good customer. He's already bought 2 flutes from me. One of them was a drone. He's already bought, so this here's his second drone. He's a pretty good customer, and I sure do appreciate that, my buddy. But he wanted this one here, he wanted another custom drone from me because he loved the way the first one sounded. Excuse me. And this one here, I added 7 turquoise stones for him near the finger holes. If you can see it. Genuine stones. And as we said in the past, my drones are totally different from anyone else's drones. The flutes themselves have not been split. They are one-piece flutes. I bore them out with the gun drill. And folks, this flute right here, to me, has such a wonderful voice. It's soft and mellow, and if you tongue it correctly at the top, on your top notes, it'll jump into some octaves, and it sounds just beautiful, folks. And I'll demonstrate that to you in a few minutes, how you can play this flute. But this one here came out beautiful. It's black walnut. Very easy on the mouth, as you can see. You can just put your lips at the end of the flute. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece of wood, folks. Beautiful. On the bottom, you can see JD Flutes Special Series D 432 Hertz. If you can see it. I can't hardly see it on my end. My screen's so small. It has an oil finish. As you can see, it has sort of a little satin shine to it. Excuse me, like I said, my sinuses are bothering me. I'm out of breath. He wanted my eagle fetishes with turquoise eyes. That's genuine turquoise, folks. I wrapped it with soft deer leather. Both of them is pretty much, excuse me, the same. Give him a little bit of a wind channel. But yeah, like I said, I love this flute, folks. It's been bored out with a 1 1/8 of an inch gun drill bit. Beautiful craftsmanship. I'm very happy with it. I hope you all love it just as much as I do. But like I said, you can play this flute. It sort of has, to me, has a soft, mellow voice, and it's relaxing to me and soothing, and I just can't say enough about it. But when you play this flute on the drone side, see how it jumped into an octave on if you tongue it correctly, or it'll sound like this if you don't. If you want that little extra spunk, give it just a little bit of tongue at the higher notes, and it'll jump into that octave for you. And it, to me, it just sounds a little better. See if I can play it a little bit, folks. like I said, my sinus will bother me today, but folks, I love this flute. I hope the customer loves it just as much as I do. And like I said, if you play your notes soft on the top, it'll have that drone side. But if you give it a little bit more spunk, you know, it'll jump into that octave, and to me that just sounds even better. It gives you a little bit more options to play with. And if you would like to have one of these here, folks, just simply shoot me a phone, give me a phone call. You know, my contact information will be below this video. And you can also reach out to me at jdflutes.com. Well, yeah, jdflutes.com. And also, I still have a few more on the website, www.jdflutes.com. Go to there, and I'll put the links below. You can just click on that link and it'll take you directly to the flutes that I have in stock. And I appreciate it, folks. But like I said, reach out to me if you would like to have a custom drone, and just contact me through email or my business phone, and I'll get it made to you. As of right now, due to so many customers, I can get it. It'll be delivered. Let's see, I can ship it out within about 2 weeks. About 2 weeks. He's been waiting about 2 weeks for this one here. I'm going to go ahead and get it on out to him. And I have a couple of more. I want to go ahead and get those out also. But I appreciate everything that everyone's doing for me, folks. Thank you so much for everything. Reach out to me if you would like to have one of these custom drones. You won't go wrong. I got them on sale, and I'll give you free shipping. I'll give you free worldwide shipping right now. So reach out to me, folks. Thank you so much for everything.